without going far, you can already see that GBPUSD pro structure pulled back here and breaks this high to the upside. Okay, so I will mark it to be a break of structure. And once this high was broken, this low became our strong low, and this high becomes our weak high. Now this will be our demand zone, and if I plot my fib from point A to point B, you can already see now that GBPUSD pro structure is still bullish. Okay, and the market has made its way to our discount where we should be looking for buys. But let's take it a bit further and show you what the substructure is doing. You can see that GBPUSD substructure pulled back here and made its way to the downside, breaking this low. Then this will be our internal break of structure, and this will be our internal strong high. Then this will be our internal weak low. This is our supply zone. If I plot my fib from point A to point B, so you can see that GBPUSD substructure is bearish while the pro structure is bullish, and the market has made its way nice into our supply zone. So now let's show you what needs to happen clearly before we get involved in GBPUSD sales. You can see that GBPUSD, before it made its way to this supply zone, it pulled back here, then broke structure to the upside. This is the last break of structure, and before then there was another low break of structure here, and this one swept a low here. So what this means is that this low is more important than this low in our opinion. Okay, so we'll be using this low for our market structure shifts. We expect GBPUSD to break this low, then pull back to some sort of supply zone here where we'll be getting involved in this market to go to the downside and take out this low. But currently GBPUSD is yet to break this low. If I zoom this market a little bit for you, you can see that it only swept this low. No candle has closed below this low here. So until we get a body candle closing below this low, we will still be staying out on GBPUSD. But once that happens, we'll be immediately be interested in allocating capital to GBPUSD somewhere here, and we'll be going to the downside